Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can create an Amazon baby registry. I'm gonna tell you all about it. I'm gonna tell you the benefits of it, how you can create it, and how you can add items and share it to your loved ones. So let's get started. So if you're watching this video is because you are expecting a new baby. If you are, congratulations, you are in a wonderful stage of your life, and I wish you the best to you and your baby. I'm gonna tell you a little bit of what a baby registry is. You can create a baby registry so you can add all the shopping list for your baby in one place. And you can choose to do so in big box stores, but you know, everybody's using Amazon now. It's so much convenient because it is convenient for you because you get those gifts sent to your home, but it is also convenient for the people who is buying you the present. So if you already have an Amazon account, I encourage you to create your Amazon baby registry because it will be so much easier for you, and it has a bunch of benefits that I'm gonna mention now. Completion discount. This is the first benefit that you get when you create your Amazon baby registry. What does this mean? This means that you get a 10% discount or 15% discount if you are an Amazon Prime member, and you can get this discount at the end. 60 days before you're due, you can apply this big discount in one purchase order. So you can save the items, the big items like the crib or the most expensive item that you had on your list, and buy it between the 60 days before and you have 60 days after to finally apply these 10 or 15% discount, and you can get those expensive items with a great discount. Which items? I mean, like a crib, like a stroller, or maybe a car seat, your choice. Amazon allows you to apply this discount up to 2 orders of a $2,000 amount, which means that you can get a $300 discount. But you need to consider that you need to have your baby registry active for at least 2 weeks before you try to apply this discount. Also, you get a free 365 days returns. What does this mean? If you don't like or you are not using a gift that you got from your baby registry, you can return it and get credit for it and buy something that you really need. And the best part of this is that the gifter never finds out. But keep in mind that every item that you have bought from this baby registry, you have only 90 days to return them. So only the items that were bought by a gifter, a relative, and a friend can be returned within 365 days. You have free 2-day shipping, which means that you will be getting your gifts within 2 days. So if you are not a Prime member, you can take advantage of this free 2-day shipping. The only requirement is that the items are at least $25. If Amazon doesn't have a particular item that you want, you can add this item from the website or store that you wanted and add it to your Amazon baby registry. You can add this with the universal registry that Amazon has. It's really easy to set up, and the other benefit of getting an Amazon baby registry is that you get a free box. This box has free items for you with a value of $35. It comes with free items that you can test out for your baby or for yourself, but in order to get this box, you have to have completed at least 60% of the baby registry list and also be an Amazon Prime member. And also somebody else has to had bought at least $10 from your baby registry. Overall, Amazon baby registries are really convenient because lots of people are using Amazon now, and the presents are delivered right to your door. Amazon can even grab the gift for you to make it easier for you. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below, so you can just click that link and it will take you directly to the link where you can create your own Amazon baby registry, and it will be much easier for you. So if you want to check that out, just go to the description down below. Now I'm gonna let you know how you can create and add items to your Amazon baby registry in my computer. Okay, the first thing that you're gonna do is to go to your Amazon in your country, whether that's amazon.com, amazon.com.mx in the case of Mexico, or in my case it's gonna be amazon.ca. I am here right now. I am going to go and click on Hello Joyce drop down, and then I'm going to go here on the your lists, and it says baby registry. I'm gonna click on that, and this is a list that I had previously filled out. So you're gonna go to settings and you're gonna click on delete your registry. I'm gonna click on yes, and now you can get started with a new baby registry. Here it's the baby registry, and then it says get started. You click on that and you will add all the details of your baby. I'm just gonna add dummy data for now. You need to fill out your due date and then also your address, and I will suggest you to mark that checkbox that it says allow friends and family to easily purchase from third-party merchants. So you need to check this box in order for them to make it easier. And gift options, you can also receive Amazon gift card, and if you would like to receive Amazon gift cards, you just check that checkbox as well. And then you can select the privacy of your registry, and in this case mine is set as public, and that means that you can search for my baby registry just by name and last name and you can find it. You choose what email notifications you want to receive whenever somebody else buy a gift for your baby, or if you would like to receive also email notifications about some discounts on certain products. And then you will add your code just to make sure that you are not a robot. Then you click create my baby registry button, and right here you have the new baby registry, and you will be adding things from here. So once that you have everything ready right here, you just add the products. You can select these categories right here: strollers, feeding, diapers, car seats, and you can go through the registry checklist as well, and you can just see every category and see if you have everything you think you will need. To be honest, sometimes we buy things that we don't really need or we are not going to be using, and these can be just like a template draft that you can based on your shoppings. But otherwise, if you are sure of what you will be needing because it's not your first baby, then you can just go ahead and directly go and add things for the baby. You can sort the items by the baby or child age. Here it's baby from 0 to 24 months. You just select that, and then you can just start adding things. Like for example, I'm gonna add just an humidifier right here. I'm gonna add these to the registry, and then I'm gonna go and add a car seat. I'm gonna add this one. Then I'm gonna add a stroller. This one, the Upper Baby Vista, add to registry, and every time that I add something to my registry, it says added to registry. You can choose also to add it directly to your cart. And then if you go back and go to the beginning of your registry, you will see that the items are here already. Pretty easy. Amazon Baby Registry has a lot of good things for you. And you can have free shipping of all your gifts and products, even if you are not a Prime member. Also, you get a big discount after Baby Registry is completed. And here you have an estimate. It will be available by December of this year in this case. And then you can get this discount. And the not so good things is that sometimes you might need to get your Amazon Prime membership in order to get all the benefits. And sometimes the sign up link can be a little bit tricky, but I just showed you how you can find it. From here, you go to your lists and then you go to Baby Registry right here, and you can start from scratch or continue another baby registry that you already had. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.